Okay, so we're in history class. There's Furley, there's Kwong, the back of his head or something. There's Lito, and Jessica's right there, but she won't be seen. So,
There's Christine.
there's Macy.
Even though mine's like, take a picture of the grave.
Huh?
It's gonna be on YouTube. Okay, someone's conceited.
The
Just kidding.
usual crew.
Yes.
We're both wearing purple and stripes.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. You guys are tall too. And there's Ryan,
He's emo
but
today.
he's like, yeah.
He's emo today.
Oh!
But,
It opened! Look at that. Look at that.
this is gross. There's barbecue. Oh my god. Barbecue sauce just exploded in his pocket.
I blame you, Lito.
How sad, how sad.
I didn't know what it opened like that.
Yes, I got her.
Pick it off. It looks like blood or something.
Freddy's bleeding. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Run away, hurry.
Soon.
Ow! Hold on, I'm hiding from the teacher. I'm not supposed to be here.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna hide.
Alright, you can hide if you want.
That's not me, I have my hand up.
In Freddy's pocket. Okay, say bye. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
The camera's like right here.
Say bye,
You
Kwong.
wanna have video on your YouTube.
I know, I don't have
Laugh my
any.
ass off and
Say
hello,
bye.
and then bye.
It's rolling on floor, laughing my
Add
ass
me
off.
on
Okay, bye. Bye.
chicken.
Your legs, mister.
Chicken.
Couch.
Bye, Macy. No! Why look who you were? Okay, never mind.